All right, last strategy for this week when we are adding and subtracting multi-digit whole numbers. Today's strategy is compensation. And compensation may be a new word, and this word means to keep something balanced. We want it to remain the same. So when do we use this? If we have a number that is close to a multiple of 10, it would be a really good idea to try this strategy. So we're going to try it with these two questions. At the winter concert, I saw 75 boys and 39 girls. So as a good mathematician, I'm going to circle my numbers. So now I have 75 and 39. The first part says how many more boys than girls attended the winter concert. I know that how many more is telling me to subtract. So I can write 75, because the boys' number comes first, minus 39, which is the girls' number. Now, it said it works best when it's close to a multiple of 10. Now, I know that 39 rounds up to 40, which is a multiple of 10. Now, how much did it round up by? Well, we added 1. Now, because we are subtracting, we need to add 1 to the other side to keep it balanced. 76. So now we have a much easier word problem, number sentence to solve, 76 minus 40. So in the ones place, I have 6 minus 0, which is 6. And then the tens place, 7 minus 4, which is 30, or 3. So our answer is 36 more boys attended the concert. Now I want to show you again, and I'm going to highlight it in a different color. When we are subtracting, to keep it balanced, we added on both sides. That's important to remember. We did the same operation on both sides when we are subtracting. Now when we are adding, it's a little bit different, so pay close attention. Now we still have 75 and 39 as our two numbers. This time, it says how many students attended the winter concert altogether. Altogether tells us to add. So my new number sentence is 75 plus 39. Now in this case, we are adding. Okay, so let's keep that in mind and why and how we keep it balanced. 39 still goes up to 40. Because that's the closest multiple of 10, and we added 1. Now, here's the tricky part. When we are adding, we have to change the number so it goes in the opposite of what we just did. So plus 1 gave me 40. To do the opposite, we subtract 1. So 75 minus 1 gives me 74. So now when I add together 74 plus 40, I will get the same answer as 75 plus 39. So let's add together 74 plus 40, which is a much easier number sentence to solve now. So 4 and 0 is 4 in my ones place. And in my tens place, I have 4 and 7, which gives me 11. So how many total students attended? 114 students. Okay, so again, it's important to know that when we add, we did the opposite operations on either side. Whereas when we subtract, we did the same operation to balance. When we add, we do the opposite operation to balance. And we'll do some more testing with this tomorrow so you can understand why this conjecture or this rule works. Okay? So take your time and good luck.